Happy December 5th and day 5 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we are opening up the beautiful church. It has a gorgeous little steeple on it. Oh my gosh. These pins so far have all been amazing, but this one might be my favorite because I do not have any pins of this character. This pin is little. I think his name is Uli and he is one of Duffy's friends. So he is the little turtle, and if you didn't know, I adore sea turtles. They are my favorite animal. So having a pin of his just makes my day. And I want to say that this pin is from an Alani pin pack. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. Happy Thursday, everyone. Just finished putting things up on this tree. They're all ornaments from Walmart, except that one blue ornament right in the center. This was from Phil's grandmother. And I'm popping on here because I'm putting a new wax melt in the warmer in our bedroom. And it's from the Wilderness Resort. These are the Magic Candle Company wax melts. And we got these from our friends Jason and his family. It was so sweet of them. They've become friends with us from a DVC group, and Jason actually lives kind of close to where Phil sometimes goes to work, so they met up a couple weeks ago and he gave us this, which was so sweet. I can't wait to melt it. It smells really good. It has like a really nice, I can only describe it as a musk. Sort of like a very subtle Abercrombie smell with maybe like a little notes of wood and pine. I'm excited to have it warming up in our bedroom. We're watching Happiest Vlogs and I wanted to show you my dinner before I dig into it. It's Popper Doll. Phil, what do you got there?
Some PlayStations.
What kind of PlayStation?
Heavy ones. Pauline just showed you. I got my PlayStation 5s in the mail. I ordered several of them to make sure that I got one on launch day. It's now a day after launch day and all 3 that I ordered showed up a day late, so that's life sometimes, I guess, right?
A box within a box.
It's like a Cards Against Humanity card. So we have the manual, power cord. PlayStation 5 has an internal power supply, so no external brick. In here we have an HDMI 2.1 enabled HDMI cord with 8K resolution capable. We have the base. I'll be mounting mine horizontally. It'll be laying on its side as opposed to vertically because this thing is tall. We have the brand new DualSense PlayStation controller.
So Phil had an extra one he ordered as well, and we are both sitting on the charging cable right now.
Moment of truth, folks. It's big. She's pretty. Oh man, I've been waiting like a year for this thing.
Look at that happy face. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Here it is up close.
I just picked up Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, which is just the new Call of Duty. And then I got Spider-Man Miles Morales, the Ultimate Launch Edition, because I never actually played the PS4 version, so this is the remastered version of the original game for PS5. I also got Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Ooh, you're a Viking.
Yep.
Here are the cookies I made today with my mom. They're very fun to decorate. No pressure with baking them, just fun decorating. All right, we're making this cheesy chipotle beef and vegetable bake. Looks delish. And here's the final product right out of the oven. And now I gotta serve it. All right, here they are. It's kind of like little taco bowls. Hi everyone, Pauline from the future here, coming to sign off. I'm actually super excited because I figured out how to play with the settings on my camera because I know nothing. And this tree was like doing a weird flickering thing. Not doing it now. Yay. So I'm here to sign off for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying our Vlogmas, and thank you for watching this Vlogmas weekly vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you would give us a subscribe. We would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. And if you're already a part of our family, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything on our channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a very Merry Christmas. Peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In today's feature video, we check out all things Epcot Future World, including Soarin' and Living with the Land. I hope you'll go give it a watch.